Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to add GCash as a payment method in your Play Store account. And if you want to use GCash to pay for apps, games, or subscriptions on the Google Play Store, you can link it directly as a payment method. And here's how to do it. Start by opening your Google Play Store account, and once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap your profile icon. Then look for the option called Payments and Subscriptions. Tap it and then choose Payment Methods. From here, you should see an option that says Add GCash. Go ahead and tap that, and at this point, Play Store will tell you that you'll be redirected to the GCash app so you can verify your account. Just go ahead and hit Continue. On this page, you'll automatically be taken into the GCash app. It'll show you a quick confirmation screen asking for your permission to link your account. Just go ahead and check the box that says you've read and understood, then tap Authorize. Right after that, GCash will send you a text message to confirm the linking, and once you've entered that verification, you'll get a success message saying your online payment linking is complete. And that's it. Your GCash account is now officially connected to your Play Store. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.